Good morning, children. We are back with our exercise 1.2. Already we have done 3 questions. Up to 3rd question we have done, and that was regarding your write the numbers in words or write the numbers in figures, and then we have to write over there that place value of underlined digit and all. So that we have done. Now we are moving forward with the new question, that is the write place value of each digit. This is new question for you. Place value of each digit. That means here no underlined digit will be given to you. There will be no underlined digit. That means you have to say the place value of each and every digit. Okay. So let's see the first question. It is 58006. That is 58,006. So we will first put it in the place value order, that is ones, tens, 100,000 and then 10,000. And then as we were writing over there the place value of the given digit and writing the answer. But here we have to write for all the numbers. So we will not write for every number the statement. The statement will be same, so we will write only one time and then the answer of every digit. Okay, so here the place value of 5 is at 10,000's place. So 10,000 means 5 into 10 will be 50. So 50,000. Then 8 is at thousands place. So 8 having 3 zeros makes 8,000. Then 0 is at 100 place. So 0 to 3 zeros will make your 100. Then tens, that means 2 zeros will make your 10, and 6 is at ones place, so we will simply write 6 over there. This also you can do by writing it in the place value order, or also you can simply know this, that is, if I want to write the place value of 5 from this number, I have to write that number, and after that how many digits are there, like here 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits are there. So I will write 4 zeros over here. That will make my place value of the given digit. Okay. So in this way also you can go. Now let's see the next question is 67 lakh 82,348. So first we will write it in the place value order, that is ones, tens, 100, then 1,000, 10,000, lakh, then 10 lakh. First you have to place it in the place value order, then write the statement as the place value of then start writing every number here. First write it like this: 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4 and 8. All the numbers you have to write like this, and then put equal to sign. Okay, now the place value for 6 is, it is at 10 lakhs position. That means we have to write it here 60 lakhs. That means after 6 we have to add here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 zeros. How many zeros? 6 zeros. So 1 I have already written. 5 more zeros will make it 60 lakh. Then 7 is at lakhs position. So I will write 7 and then 5 zeros. Any number which contain 5 zeros makes your lakh. So it is 7 lakh. Now 8 is at 10,000's place. So I will write it here 80,000, which is having 4 zeros. Then 2 is at thousands place, so 2 and then 3 more zeros will make it 2000. Then 3 is at 100 place, so for that I will write 3 and 2 zeros only will make it 300. 4 is at tens place, so only 1 0 I will add here, this will make your 40. And then 8 is at ones place, so no need to write any 0 after it, you have to simply write 8. Ones place means it will not be multiplied with any zeros or tens or anything. Okay, so this was regarding the place value of each digit. Similar questions I'll give you for the practice. Then next question is expand the following numbers. Expand means we have to elaborate, we have to make it large. This is small number given to you, we have to elaborate and make it large by writing it in the place value order and multiplying that number with the place value order. Like it is 3841. What I am saying, 3841. That means 3 is at thousands place. So first write in the place value order as ones, tens, 100, then 1000. This will make you easy for writing the answer. So 3 is at thousands place. That means 3 should be multiplied by 1000. 3 should be multiplied by 1000. Then 8 is at hundreds place. So after writing this number, you have to put 1 plus sign. What you have to put? Plus sign. Don't forget to write here plus. If you are writing this place value order, like here 1000 is there, so for 1000 you will put the sign of multiplication. But for new number, before writing it, you will put here plus sign. So I have written plus, then 8 is at 100 position, so I will multiply with 100. So this will be 800. Then again I have to write new number, so I will put 1 plus. Then 4 is at tens place. Tens means multiplied with 10. So multiply with 10, that will make your 40. 4 tens are 40, like that. Then again I have to write one more number, which is a new number 1. So 1, then 1 should also be multiplied, but for what we will multiply? It is at one place only, that means it will be multiplied with 1. So this will make your answer, that is 3841. Understood? So this is the expansion or expanded form of your given number. This short number can be expanded and written like this. Opposite question can also come, that means this expanded form can be given to you and you may have asked to convert it into the short form. Okay, so this is one of the example for you. Now the next question is 52,006. So first write it in the place value order, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then start writing. 5 is at 10,000 position, so multiply by 10,000. Okay, then plus, because we are going to write a new number, that is 2. Now 2 is at thousands position, so I will multiply with 1000. Then 100 which is having 0, so I'll 0, then multiply with 100. This you have to write here 100. Then again one new number, that is 0 at tens position, so I will multiply with 10. Then plus again a new number, which is 6, and it is at ones position, so 6 will be multiplied with 1, so 6 ones are 6 will make. So this is your expanded form. 50 2,000 then 6, because these zeros will multiply and will convert to 0 only. 0 multiplied with 100, 0. 0 multiplied with 10, 0. Anything which is multiplied with 0, it will make 0 only. Now the next or the last question is 8,49,015. So I will write it here. 8 then lakh means which is having 5 zeros. Okay, so this will make 8 lakh. Then plus 4, then how many zeros? 1 2 3 and 4, so that is 10,000. Then again 9, I'll put 1 plus, then 9,000, so 3 zeros. Then 0 is at 100 place, so multiply with 100. Then again plus for new number. Then 1 is at 10th position, so I will multiply with 10. Then again a plus, and then 5 is at 1's place, so I will multiply 5 into 1. So 5 ones are 5. 1 into 10, 10. 1 tens are 10, so 10. So 10 plus 5 makes 15. Like this you can check your answer also. So here we have done 2 more type of questions. Still 2 are remaining. We'll see in the next video.